Hello everyone, Raccoon-Formers here, and welcome to part 3 of 12 of my Transformers Generation 1 wall calendar review. This 12-parted series is really flying by. Oh my goodness gravy. Like if you multiply this video by 4, you have the final episode of this series, because 3 times 4 is 12, and this is a 12-parted series. Just a little math-like humor for you there, just to start this video off with some humor. Anyway, let's get down to business. Today is March 1st, so you know what that means. We're going to be cracking this calendar open to see what March's page looks like. The 2 previous pages have been real bangers. They were out of this world cool, so I'm really excited to see what March's page has in store for us. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this calendar open again and see what surprises March's page has in store for us. Looks like for March's pageroonie, we have a picture of Starscream. I think I've noticed a pattern, ladies and gentlemen. I think the calendar is alternating between Decepticons and Autobots. Because January's page was Megatron, who's a Decepticon. February's page was Bumblebee, who is an Autobot. And March's page is Starscream, who is a Decepticon. So it's clearly a pattern.
That's the pattern.
It kind of reminds me of this boy-girl seating chart that some teachers use at schools. Because the whole point of that seating chart is to make sure people don't sit next to each other that they'll talk to, aka people that they like. And it's kind of the same situation here. They're separating out the Autobots and separating out the Decepticons by putting some of them next to each other. They're alternating. It's totally the same thing. Just take out the school and the children and replace it with Transformers and a calendar. Anyway, all humor aside, let's take a look at some of the details of this phenomenal calendar page. The picture of Starscream looks pretty decent. He's aiming his null rays at something, probably an Autobot, because Autobots and Decepticons are arch enemies, I don't know. But he looks pretty heroic, or pretty diabolical, I should say. He's not a hero. Nice looking purple backdrop. It's nice that they brought the purple backdrop back for another Decepticon page. I'm pretty sure that this is the same purple backdrop that was used for January's page when they had a picture of Megatron. So it's nice that they kept that the same. It really is. Starscream's name is printed right above his head in a beautiful red font. I'm pretty sure it's the same red font that was used for Megatron, which is pretty decent because Decepticons have red eyes, Autobots have blue, and Bumblebee's name on February's page was blue. Turning our attention to the bottom of the calendar, we have an awesome looking March logo. Nothing too special. It would have been nice if they put some kind of Transformer-ish qualities, like maybe a Decepticon insignia on either side, but no. But it's fine. This is March's page, so it's nice that they put something to let you know this is March's page. Otherwise, it'd be really hard to know. We have a set of miniature calendars right over here. There's the previous month, February of 2022, and the next month, April of 2022. And right below all of that, we have the dates. Right behind the dates, we have another phenomenal Decepticon insignia, just like what January's page had. And we also have all of the dates in March, 1 through 31. They didn't forget a single one, which is good. Otherwise, this would be an inaccurate calendar, which wouldn't be all that good, would it? And they also remembered all of the holiday-like dates for March on the exact day that they occur in real life. There's New Moon and Ash Wednesday on March 2nd, first quarter on March 10th, Daylight Saving Time begins on March 13th, Commonwealth Day for Canada begins on March 14th, which is also Pi Day, 3.14159265. Hey, I'm pretty good. Purim begins at sundown on March 16th. Good old St. Patrick's Day on March 17th. Full moon on March 18th. Hey, this is the first time that 3 holidays have ever been on days back to back from one another. March 16th through March 18th. Those 3 days have holidays. And then we have Vernal Equinox on March 20th, not to be confused with the Chevrolet Equinox of the same name. And we have Last Quarter on the 25th. Overall, this is definitely another phenomenal page of the Transformers Generation 1 wall calendar. And it was definitely a really festive one. This page definitely had the most holidays out of any of the calendar pages that I've taken a look at so far in this 12-parted series. January and February's page didn't have near as many holidays as this calendar page did. I guess March is just a very festive month. Who knew? Overall, it was a very phenomenal page, and I'm really excited to see what April's page has in store for us. Because then I'll be able to clarify if my idea of the calendar creator's pattern was right, because I'll be able to see if April's page is an Autobot or not. But we'll just have to wait and see next month. Well, friends, this pretty much wraps up this video review. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to click that big red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. Let me know in the comment section below how you're enjoying this 12-parted series. And also let me know in the comment section below which calendar page so far is your favorite. I honestly don't have a favorite yet. I'm going to have to see a few more pages to know which one's my favorite. But let me know in the comment section below which one's your favorite. Or if you don't have a favorite, let me know in the comment section below for another one of these videos which one your favorite is. I'll be bringing this calendar back on April 1st. So we can see what April's page has in store for us. So make sure to get back here on April 1st, because you won't want to miss it, I can assure you. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Catch you next time. Peace.